Hello students, good morning. Today we will study the next theorem based on the circle. Yesterday we had studied the two theorems, one and another one is vice versa of it. Today we will study another one, that is third theorem. This theorem states us that if two chords of a circle, there is two chords of a circle are equal. If both the chords are equal in length, suppose in the figure just see, there is two chords AB and CD, two chords. Both the chords are equal. It is given here that both the chords are equal. Then whatever written with if, that is given part, and whatever written with then, that we need to prove. So if these two are equal, these two is given, then what we need to prove? It sustained equal angle at the center. It means if these two chords are equal, then angle made by these two chords with two radii at the center of a circle is also equal. It means we have to prove these two angles is equal. So at first we will write given. What is given here? That AB is equal to CD. This is given. To prove, what we need to prove? Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. This one we need to prove. These two angle is not given as equal. How we will prove it? So we will write here proof. Since these two chords are equal, so we will write simple way. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, what is given at first? AB is equal to CD. Right here given. Afterward, AO is radius and CO is also radius from triangle AOB and from triangle COD. Different triangles we will take, that's why. Since AO is also equal to BO, but we will not write it together because AO and BO is of the same triangle. We will take of different triangles. AO is equal to CO. Both are radii. We will not write radius. Radius means 1. We are writing 2. That's why radii. And BO is equal to DO. Just notice one thing, that in the LHS part we will write whatever we will have the line segment, name of the line segment in LHS of a triangle, and RHS part of another triangle. It is also radii. So next, all the three are sides. Therefore, by this property, side, 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 triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. If both are congruent, therefore, by CPCT, what we can write? Angle AOB will be equal to angle COD, and hence it proved. This one only we need to prove in the first theorem of today's topic. Next is vice versa of it. What is given here? It is given here that two chords are equal. But in the next theorem, that is opposite of it, we need to prove that two chords will be equal. And whatever it will be given in the next one, that angles are equal. So just note it down in your copy for your future reference. We will see the next theorem. Next theorem states that if two angles at the center by the chords are equal. Theorem number 4, that is vice versa. If angles subtended by two chords at center are equal, then chords are also equal. This one we need to prove. It means this equal part is not given. It is not given that chords are equal. It is given here that angles are equal. These two angles are equal. We need to prove. So here we will change in the given part What is given here? Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. This is given. And what we need to prove? That chords are equal. It means AB is equal to CD. This one we need to prove. And with the same process we will prove it also by making it congruent. We need to prove here that AB is equal to CD. Same way we will have triangle AOB and triangle COD. What we will take? Given part AO is equal to CO, that is radii. Afterward the angle is given here. And the last one again the radius. BO is equal to DO. Side angle side. Here also you can see side angle side, side angle side. So we will have by side angle side, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Now what we need to prove? AB is equal to CD. Therefore by CPCT we can write AB is equal to CD. This one only we need to prove. These theorems is very important to know very well, because afterward the whatever the exercise is given in that one, it is very important, and we will use only the proof part, that if it is given then how it will be equal. We will not prove these things there. Okay, I think these two theorems you have understood, and just make it in your copy. Afterward in the next video we will see another next theorem. Thank you.